Welcome back to Podcast Name, where we explore the fascinating world of technology and innovation. Today, we're diving into an intriguing topic that's shaping the future of development, GitHub Copilot, and its array of features designed to simplify and enhance coding for developers everywhere. So let's start with a fundamental question. Have you ever wished you had a coding assistant that could help you write better code more efficiently? Well, that's exactly what GitHub Copilot aims to do. It's like having a pair of intelligent eyes looking over your shoulder, suggesting snippets of code, fixing vulnerabilities, and even automating workflows. Pretty cool, right? Now let's break down some of the key functionalities that GitHub Copilot offers. First, it's all about collaboration. Have you ever been part of a team, wrestling with issues and trying to keep track of all the moving parts of a project? GitHub Copilot streamlines this with features that allow for better planning and tracking of work. Think of it as having a project manager that knows code. Then there's the code review process. This can often be a tedious part of development, but Copilot can help manage those code changes. It's like having a friend who not only checks your homework, but also offers insightful feedback along the way, making sure that your code is not just functional, but also top-notch. And let's not forget about security. In a world where vulnerabilities often lurk in the shadows, GitHub Copilot helps developers find and fix these issues proactively. It's like having a security guard for your code, ensuring that no pesky bugs sneak in while you're not looking. Beyond that, GitHub also offers this concept of learning pathways, webinars, and even community articles through the README project, which means that whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, there's always something new to learn or explore. It creates a vibrant ecosystem of knowledge sharing, and who doesn't love that? Now, imagine being able to code in real time using a personalized experience with code spaces, which sets up your development environment instantly. This is a game changer. It means less time spent configuring and more time actually creating, which is what we all want, right? So let's pause here for a moment. Can you picture a day when you roll into your coding space and everything's just ready? No setup hassles, just pure coding bliss. Speaking of bliss, there are the GitHub sponsors that support open source developers. It's a great initiative that not only helps maintain quality projects, but also fosters a community spirit among developers. As we wrap up this discussion, it's pretty exciting to think about how tools like GitHub Copilot are democratizing coding, making it more accessible and less intimidating for newcomers, while also streamlining workflows for experienced developers. Before we sign off, I'd love to leave you with a thought. As we embrace these advanced tools, how do you see the role of developers evolving? Will we become more of architects of systems rather than just coders? I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. Thanks for tuning in to Podcast Name. Remember to subscribe if you enjoyed this episode, and keep questioning, learning, and coding.